So we've got this 2016 Ford Explorer back. We're going to do an oil change and a cabin filter change on this, which was spawned on by my video on the Honda Fit, changing that cabin air filter. But we got an oil leak. You can see it dripping slowly, and I'm going to get underneath here and see if I can figure out what's causing this. Here you can see the small drip that was coming off this oil filter. Wiped oil off the oil filter. There was oil on here, dripping down, and I just wanted to check and see if the filter was tight. Now, I've had problems on other vehicles where the oil filter housing was loose, or the gasket was bad actually, and I've replaced that. But in this case, let's just see what we're dealing with. Now, this oil filter was loose, and the owner told me that he had it changed at Jiffy Lube, and this is why I never go to quick change oil locations. You will never catch me in there, except maybe to drag one of my friends out. So fortunately there's no other oil leak on this vehicle. That was the problem. A loose oil filter tells you something about quality, doesn't it?